Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to make this paper flower. Firstly, download the template. There is a link below this video. Cut out the template. I used a Cricut Maker. Firstly, upload your SVG file into Design Space and name your file. Now select the image and insert it into the canvas. Adjust the size of the flower to your liking. Click on the Make It button on the bottom right of the screen. Connect to your maker and set your material. I use medium cardstock. Now load the mat and cut out the flower. Take off the flower from the Cricut mat. To assemble the flower, I used a chopstick. Start rolling the end of the flower firmly until you reach the end of the flower. Add hot glue to the base of the flower and stick the rolled flower to it.